Previously on the Bartender.
Can I ask you something?
How close you and Tiffany is?
Who do you visit in the Jacksontown area?
Are you still following me?
The only way you can know all of that is if you go in on my phone.
The email have to get rid of, so you can be done.
Yeah, the reason for that meeting here today, I want to get every community together.
Yo, you know this now, right, brother?
You hear me about that, brother?
Yo, yeah, hear me, brother. Mr. Me now, do this.
You might want to look at those.
Are you Tiffany pregnant for?
So tell me, sitting, you're sick?
Why you ask?
Actually, me see you come from out of pharmacy with description there on.
If it's somebody.
Laptop turn on.
Number say the location change again to Ochi.
Gucci.
But I need you to pay them a visit.
Respect for forward, not Teflon.
Are you an agent, Tonian?
Why not just tell Whisper say you have somebody else in your life?
Kev, I just my ex when I try help out.
What's it on? On your way, right? You soon be here?
Vanessa, somebody follow you come here. Shut up, Timothy, come go in that room now.
Peace, I said. Peace is me I put you on.
You don't say nothing and don't move. What's up?
All 6 of them? You know it's a new set of police that was put out there by Mullins. I know, Derek. But these men were gonna be instrumental to the campaign. Damn it, man. Alright. I have something that will slow them down or eventually stop them. Alright, Derek. Don't worry too much about it. Come in. This is it? Yeah. Well, you know, I had to play a little hide and go seek. Looked like there were some cars trailing us, but I managed to shake them off. You sure you shake off all of them? Yeah, man. Check and double check, man. You get in touch with the expert where you say you get the link to? Yeah, but just one issue. Him not really meet for the handovers. What you mean? So him want to do this or him don't want to do it? Him want me leave it at a location so Majors, stop right now, sir. This laptop will be placed right in his hands or there is no deal. I think we can take that risk there. Minister, listen. I don't want to hear it. Just find someone else. Minister, we don't have time. Time is of the essence. You see, they have this sophisticated tracking system on it. So you see, the minute we power it up, they start to move. We need somebody who is good enough, who can throw them off long enough so we have time to break the code. This guy is as good as you say he is. I did a comprehensive background check on him. Trust me, he's the man for the job. How this work? Alright, so he tells us the location. We drop it off, he picks it up, him take it, him do him thing, and when him finish, him return it to the spot. Him know how we know where him work from. Well, when you're as good as he is, you know, that is expected. I'm going to do everything to protect his anonymity. You know what he looks like, though? I wouldn't be doing business with him if I didn't. What if we had someone trail him? I wouldn't do that because if he found out, then he would abort and then would run the risk of losing the laptop. Minister, I know this is a calculated risk, but I do believe that this is a man for the job. I know him can do it. He have no ties, no affiliates. Him just want to do the job and collect.
I don't want to miss this window of opportunity in taking down the agency. Just ensure this is a foolproof plan to take them out.
The fact that I'm in line to take the position of Mullings as head of this agency is more than enough incentive to make this work. Don't worry, I got this.
What about the girl fiance? What's happening with him?
Well, he played his part, delivered the laptop, collected money, but there is just one issue.
What's that?
You see, he knows how Mullings operates, and he thinks that it will just be a matter of time before Mullings finds out who he is and then have the airports under surveillance.
So, what is he requesting?
A private jet.
Tell him to stay tucked away for another week or so. I'll get him a private jet out of the country by then.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Well, if that's all, get to work.
No, me still can't believe it.
Man, walk on.
Judge Abucha. Can't believe. When you make this with your dog.
Mash up on medicine, Jenna. We're never ready for this. Swear.